Before we head out for our scenic train ride to Garmisch-Partenkirchen, an alpine town which borders Austria, let's check out our breakfast today at our hotel in Munich. The spread was simple and breakfast was hearty. Now check out what I got. I especially love the German sausage here. After breakfast, we headed to the Munich Central train station and searched for platform 27 to take the RB6 train towards Garmisch. Oh yes, and before we proceed further, do remember to help subscribe to my channel as your support is greatly appreciated. As we had purchased the Deutschland Euro $49 tickets, our journey to and from Garmisch is already covered by the Deutschland tickets. All you will need to do is to open the Rainbow mobile app and show the train conductor the QR code generated after your Deutschland ticket is purchased. This journey from Munich to Garmisch will take us 1.5 hours. I have to say that the highlight of this train ride is the beautiful views along the way. Therefore, I highly recommend you to embark on this journey by train too, so sit back and enjoy this train ride with me. Garmisch in the west and Partenkirchen in the east were separate towns for many centuries and still maintain quite separate identities. Garmisch was first mentioned some 800 years later as Germanische or German district in English, suggesting that at some point a Teutonic tribe took up settlement in the western end of the valley. Then during the late 13th century, the valley, as part of the county of Werdenfels, came under the rule of the Prince Bishop of Freising and was to remain so until 1803. Today, Garmisch-Partenkirchen is a popular ski town among the locals. Finally, we have arrived into the main station at Garmisch, and we will make our way by walking to the hotel to check in. The Zugspitze is the highest mountain in Germany and is situated right here in Garmisch and is 2,962 meters above the sea level. You can visit the Zugspitze Glacier, the highest glacier in Germany, by cogwheel train and cable car. The glacier is home to a variety of wildlife, including marmots, chamois, and ibex. Unfortunately, going up to the Zugspitze is not allowed today and is open only during the weekends on the non-peak ski seasons. You can also watch my previous series of our last visit to Zugspitze last year, where I show you a step-by-step guide of how we purchased the tickets up to the summit. We soon arrived into our hotel for the night, Hotel Zugspitze, where we booked a junior suite overlooking the great views of the Bavarian Alps. Let's first check out the cozy hotel lobby.
They're not getting much snow yet.
Oh, yeah?
So I think you're right. Winter will come late.
Oh. Are you from America?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
Florida,
Where about?
man.
Florida, oh nice.
Yeah.
Great place.
Yeah. They thought I was from Singapore when I checked in. I would love to visit there, but that's not me. So maybe I would have got a better room if I said yes. But I said, no, vintage.
We were provided some warm welcome towels, while the friendly staff helped with our registration. Unfortunately, we were a little too early and our room will only be ready by 3 p.m. So we decided to explore the small town of Garmisch. Thankfully, the buses here are also covered by our Deutschland tickets. Therefore, all we needed to do was just to hop on into the bus and just show the bus driver our Rinban app. Buses here operate only in two directions, similar to a shuttle service. Therefore, it is quite easy to navigate and explore this town. These buses also inform you of the stops. Therefore, you do not have to worry about missing your stop. We finally arrived into the main town center of Garmisch. Let's now explore this quaint little town. Wanna buy? Ladder rush ah? Yeah lah, ladder. Wanna buy?
No.
Little did we know, our walk led us back to the hotel, and there was actually no need to take the bus as our hotel is situated quite close to the town center. Soon, it was time to check into our room, and let me show you around our suite. Wow. 在这边了。呀，他们帮我们拿了。Now, check out the spacious living room area. It's so cozy, isn't it?
Please close the door.
旁边有你啊。Oh, got two beds. There is also a bedroom with a beautiful bathroom attached. 对没事说。Now let me show you what I mean. Check out the bathroom. Let us check out the balcony. Right, just arrived in the Zugspitze or Garmisch today, and let's check out the views. This is our hotel. Just checked in, and yeah, so we'd like to show you guys around the town and what we're going to do today. Unfortunately, do take note that you cannot. There is no services up the Zugspitze today because it's not close to nearly the ski season yet, so the cogwheel and the cable cars are only open during the weekends and public holidays. So do remember that that if you come during non-peak seasons, your chances of actually getting up to the summit of Zugspitze is rare, is lower, and always do remember to check the website out before coming here. But of course, we got this suite room really cheap because it's a non-peak, just that you cannot go up the summit of Zugspitze. So during summers they're open most days, and during the ski seasons they're also open most days. So remember to check them out. And cheers! I should go look at the views. This hotel also provides complimentary tea time from 2 p.m. onwards daily. Let's check out what they offer. After our tea time, we head over to the indoor pool facility and sauna. Let me show you guys around. In the saunas, changing and rest areas, complimentary refillable tea is both available hot and iced. Do note though that the saunas here are mixed gender, and they do have a clothes on and clothes off sauna rooms. Therefore, make sure you are aware of this and have the appropriate dressing on as you enter the sauna rooms. Since we purchased a nice cozy room for the night, we decided to order in tonight. While we enjoyed the ambience of the room, this room comes with a high-end, good quality Bluetooth speaker too.
Behind it is Austria.
Check out the beautiful views of the Bavarian Alps from our room this morning. As we head for breakfast, let me show you guys what breakfast has to offer at this hotel. Let's check out the breakfast spread. These are mostly locally produced and sourced mainly from this town. And check this out, they even have a full-size honeycomb which you can get honey from. The experience in this hotel is indeed wonderful, and I will definitely come back again for more days just to enjoy the fresh air and the great alpine food. Let's just enjoy the views of the Zugspitze Alps one more time before we check out. Anyway, this is all for my short visit to Garmisch. Goodbye and stay tuned for more of my travel videos soon.